In this video, we will learn how to fix Fortnite BattlEye Launcher Error. In order for you to fix the Fortnite BattlEye Launcher Error, firstly we will open up our Windows and head to the search panel of Windows. From here we'll type run, then click on open. After coming into run, we will type in %local app data %, then hit OK. After that, the local app data folder will open. From here, what we need to do is delete the Fortnite game folder, which is, as you can see at the bottom right here. We'll just right click on it and click on delete button. Now exit it. After that, we will head to our search panel yet again and type in Epic Games Launcher. Then click on open. Then our Fortnite game launcher will open. Now we'll need to head to our library. In here we'll need to find Fortnite, then right click on Fortnite, then click on the manage button. Now from here we need to click on the verify files button and verify our total game file, which will reinstall all the necessary files and BattlEye launcher. After the verification process is done, we'll just simply launch our game and no errors should pop up anymore. As you can see, Fortnite has now launched without any issues and we can now enjoy Fortnite like before. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.